Imagine you're just driving along, perhaps to your birthday party. Then, disaster strikes. As you pull into the Taco Bell parking lot at 2 a.m., another car strikes the side of yours. They come out screaming, accusing you of hitting their car. The cops are called. Your car is a complete loss. You lose your house. You lose your kids that you didn't even know you had. You're on the streets. And why? All because you didn't have a dash cam to document it in low quality. Hello everyone, the Duke here, and today I'm talking about the APEMAN Dashcam 1080p FHD mini discrete design dashboard camera, supports 128GB 1.5-inch color display dash camera. This is actually the third camera I've gotten from them, and well, I'm very happy with their products. Something you need to note is that this is a $34 dash cam. Let me repeat that. This is a $34 dash cam. It's not the best quality. The menu on this dash cam, like so many others, isn't the easiest to navigate, but the buttons feel solid and, well, the whole construction of this thing is a lot better than most dash cams I've tried. One of the biggest selling points about this dash cam is how small it is. As you see when I put this ruler beside it, it's, well, very tiny. Here it is proudly, or more so hiddenly, displayed on a 2009 Honda van with variable cylinder management. And it's pretty well hidden. As well as that, because of the design of it, it allows you to put up sunshades and not have to worry about knocking out your dash cam, like one of these.
元の俺よりうまいと思った。私を超えられると思った。
Je sais que je suis supérieur.
便秘のヒーローのように戦おう。あはははは。
You can also rotate the camera up and down, which is super nice, and because it's not like one of those dash cams, it's a lot more stable, as it uses a sticky pad rather than a suction cup. The only downside of the sticky pad is that if you mount it slightly off, and I mean just a hair to the right, you're going to notice it forever and it's going to bother you if you're one of those types of people. Present party not included. The daytime footage on this camera is not the best, but for $34, I think it does rather decently. In the bottom right corner, you have the time and the date. Also, I should mention the microphone isn't really that great, although they're never really that great. Now, nighttime footage, it's where it's, well, quite lacking. If you're looking to find license plates, unless you're butt up next to them, you're not really going to be able to see them. Although, the good thing is that, well, because of the quality, if you hit a pedestrian or something like that, the police can't use it as evidence because, well, you can identify the person, so you're free of guilt. The box is, well, very well laid out. It comes with a small micro USB cable along with a long micro USB cable that you can plug into your cigarette lighter and a bristleless toothbrush. Now, I didn't want to use these because, well, they're not really that discreet, and I instead got one of these long micro USB cables from Amazon and I routed it around the edge of the car. That way it looks a little better in my opinion. All in all, while I believe the nighttime quality of the camera is a little lacking and the daytime isn't the most high quality, you really can't beat the price and the quality of these types of dash cams. As I said before, I've tried quite a few others and they just felt cheap, and sometimes they would say they were recording but they didn't record at all. These, I've never had an issue with them. They're always recording, and while I've never been able to try sort of the function where if you get hit, you know, the G sensor triggers and it saves or locks that footage, I kind of hope I never have to try out that footage, as the real reason anyone gets a dash cam is, well, 10% to protect their vehicle and 90% to capture dumb things. Lastly, the total cost for everything was around $50, as it does not come with a micro SD card and I got that extra cable, although if you didn't want the cable it'd be around 40 bucks. If you were in the market for a dash cam, I hope this video helped make your decision, especially if you don't have that much money, yet you want to be protected / capture stupid stuff on your dash cam, so you could send it to dash cam channels. I mean, I love watching those, who doesn't? I hope you enjoyed the video, and this has been the Duke, signing off.